Right, next please, sweetheart.
Hello, darling.
For God's sake.
What happened?
Calm down, Mary. Right, take a seat.
Okay.
What is it?
So I'm having problem with
Again!
What?
You're having another child. Darling, what is going on at home? A disco ball? Is your legs open every Sunday? What's going on, sweetheart?
What?
Every time I've seen you for the past 4 years, you've been pregnant.
That's not your
Oh,
business.
darling. For God's sake, what's going on every Black Friday? Do you have Christmas every weekend, sweetheart?
I'm Muslim, not celebrating
Right.
Christmas.
Please tell me what's your name again?
Marfian Abdurrahman Abdi
No,
Sakur.
we're not going to... Hello, Hakuna Matata, sweetheart. Please tell me the first initial. I'm not writing down a tribe, right? This is not Chinese Mandarin lesson. I'm not learning another language, sweetheart. Please tell me what's the first...
M.
Right.
M.
M.
And then Farah
The last
Ahmed
letter of the
Suchur
last
Mohammed.
letter. Right, I'm not going to spell. What the keyboard's going to... Sweetheart, I've got a keyboard here. I'm not a mathematician.
A.
Okay, A. All right. So, darling, so what's the problem for today?
I have big leg problem.
Leg
And
problem, sweetheart. Are you in Delulu land, sweetheart? I don't know what's wrong with you, sweetheart. You
Sorry?
No wonder, sweetheart. No wonder. Leg problems. Give me a break, sweetheart. Having children like it's Christmas, Valentine's
That's
Day,
haram.
every single 6 o'clock on a Monday. What